Racing just is started with elusive wind. First to show quickness at the start, moving a party outside. Benny Goodman, bronze ace in the middle portion. Now is just in time. High in action, West Dream. Then next online, play the music. Moralia comes next. Finest material, while there to dream is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Just in time, moving up now on the outside. Bronze ace, 3 lengths further back in third comes entry number 10, and this one is high in action. 5 lengths further back in fourth is West Dream. Next on land, elusive wind, moving upon the outside. Benny Goodman, Moralia comes next. Play the music, there to dream, while finest material now racing in less than a part. Turn the lead now belongs to Bronze Ace by about 3 lengths, and in second now is high in action, moving up West Dream. Benny Goodman, elusive wind, likewise coming closer, just in time there to dream. Moralia, finest material, while play the music, now racing in last as they swing for home. We have Bronze Ace by our length and a half, moving up now on the outside is Benny Goodman. It's now Benny Goodman now takes command. Bronze Ace draws back in second, and finally it's Benny Goodman. Bronze Ace, then comes elusive wind, there to dream, high in action.
7, 11, 3, 2, 10.
Goodman talaga si Benny, no?
4.
Right, Benny Goodman.